Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the T-Rex. Hey guy, down in front. Dinosaurs, man. So let's get into our box here. It's that custom gray wood grain that you know something good is going to be inside, including this card, which is welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement, including all of our customer service information. If you have any questions, just let us know. Happy to help. We got great people over here, and we've got great graphics too, as you can tell, for our social media handles. Check those out and post a picture of what's on your hand for everybody else to see. Because what they're going to see is something sweet made out of actual dinosaur, the T-Rex. So what we have here is a charcoal gray black zirconium with a 5mm inlay of genuine red dinosaur bone. I really don't know if it gets much cooler than that. Just be like, what do you got on your hand? Dinosaur. Not sure you can top that. Corey, can you top that? No, can't top that. Your 10-sided dice is not cooler than the dinosaur bone. So take that, tell your mom. Here we go. In the box is also our black silicone band that comes with your purchase in case for whatever reason you don't want to have dinosaur bone on your finger. And also our promotional materials from our sister site, Rosie Ray. If you want to be a clever girl and get 20% off a badass ring, check that out, and some other promotional materials as they are presented. So that is the T-Rex. Go check it out on manlybands.com.